So at Charlotte Skin and Laser, we offer a number of both laser as well as light and energy treatments to rejuvenate the skin. So I thought we'd talk a little bit about what that means. We can use lasers to remove the signs of sun damage, and that includes pigment, freckles, brown spots, things like that. We can also use lasers that help lighten redness and flushing and broken blood vessels on the face. And we can use them actually in the same session. So some of the visible signs of sun damage, like the reds and the browns, we can come up with a plan to help lighten and remove those. We can also use our lasers and energy devices to stimulate collagen, to rejuvenate the skin, both the surface so it looks brighter and smoother, and underneath the surface so it's a little plumper, and we treat fine lines, and in our more aggressive treatments we treat deep lines too. So what this means for you when you come in for a consultation, we'll look carefully at your skin and we'll come up with a plan where we combine treatments to get you the best results in the fewest number of treatments possible. And this often means we'll pick a laser that treats brown, and we'll pick a laser that treats red, and we'll probably follow that with one of our fractional laser treatments or our radio frequency treatments or something like that. We even have a new energy device that's thermomechanical, and that's called Tixel. So let's get into the nitty-gritty a little bit. So our brown spot treatment, which is one of my favorites because it immediately can help lighten those brown spots, those things you try to cover with makeup. The one we use most frequently is the Long Pulse Alexandrite 755, which is called Gentle Lace. It's actually the hair removal laser. But when you turn off the cryogen cooling, we can use that laser energy to treat pigment on the surface, so surface pigment. Then we might choose to use one of our vascular lasers, like our V-beam pulse dye laser, to treat the redness and flushing, and even broken capillaries on the face, little tiny broken blood vessels. If you have larger blood vessels, we'll use our 1064 YAG lasers, one of them, we have several, to treat those as well. Those are the kind of the bigger red veins or blue veins that show up. Then after that, we will commonly recommend either a fractional laser or a radio frequency treatment or our thermomechanical device, Tixel. Now, one advantage of the fractional laser is it kind of helps us get the pigment out more readily. So we're going to tend to pick that one if you have a lot of sun damage with freckles and things like that. So we treat it first with the gentle laser, and then we follow it with the fractional laser. If you have a lot of redness, we'll tend to recommend our microfractional radio frequency called Viva. Or if downtime's a concern and we just kind of want to get some stimulation of collagen, we might use our thermomechanical Tixel. But the key is we do close evaluation of your skin and also ask you about what your goals are and how you can manage downtime and where it fits in your schedule. And we will customize a plan just for you. And then when you come back, we'll look at your photos and get feedback from you and adjust that plan if we need to. So it's really a boutique approach, customized, and also directed to helping you reach your goals as quickly as possible. And that's how we achieve great looking skin for our patients.